Earlier this year, Dusty and I went hunting, and after firing the shotgun, the empty shell fell into the water and floated perfectly. I immediately thought it'd be a really cool fishing bobber. The market would be huge as we'd be combining two complementary multi-billion-dollar industries, hunting and fishing. And bam, we had our very first shell bobber. We were in love.
I give you the $80,000 for 50%.
Honestly, I don't think we're comfortable giving away 50% just yet.
You just gave the right answer. So for that reason, I'll make you an offer. I'll offer you the $80,000, and I want 33%. Deal?
He must be scared of that shotgun.
What are you talking about?
Yes or no, guys?
Yes, we will
Done.
accept your offer.
Oh my